How to make a portrait image from Meta AI. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app. And once you open it, you can see there is 3 lines at the top left corner of this section. So just tap on that 3 lines button. And once you tap on it, you can see there it's chat option at the second. So let's select this chat option, and finally you need to enter a prompt in here for your portrait image. So if you want to upload a image from your gallery, then simply tap on plus icons on in the screen, and you can simply select any of them from here. First one is camera and another one is gallery. So afterward, if you want to upload, or if you want to enter a prompt in here, so you can simply enter a prompt like create portrait image. So once you do that, simply tap on blue button, and yeah, you will be able to create your portrait image from Meta AI successfully. So yeah, basically this is how, and this is the process to create a or make a portrait image from Meta AI. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.